Can a dentist help with your snoring? Yes. Snore guards typically help a great deal. A lot of patients try the CPAP and find that it's too cumbersome, it's too difficult to get used to. So a dentist can take images or impressions of your teeth, have a lab make a snore guard, which is an appliance that attaches to your upper and lower teeth, advances the lower jaw slightly forward, and opens the airway so that it prevents snoring. If you found that helpful, please leave a comment saying so, hit the like button, and subscribe for more Moments of Tooth from the Silverman Dental Group.